Hi there guys, it's Rachele with Amethyst Ascension, and today we are going to be doing a SugarMuses May 2019 unboxing. So let's just get started. So the theme this time is Egyptian magic. So we're just going to get right into it. Let me just put this aside. I suppose I could show you. I'm sorry, I have so many projects going on at once that I have so much stuff all over my desk. It's a little bit chaotic. I need to come down and clean it. Put some stuff away. Okay, so here is the new card, which looks awesome. It's with the SugarMuses and the Midnight Muses. And this is what it looks like. Now, this is honestly, I think, my very first unboxing where I have absolutely no idea what's in it. I've not watched any other videos, and I've only just unlocked, or not unlocked, opened it up. Cut the tape and all that good stuff, so to speak. Hathor Candle Ritual for Scrying. I love Egyptian stuff. Egyptian magic, look at that. That is so friggin' cool. Oh, look at that card. Ooh, the Hierophant. Very cool. I love that. All right, where to begin? We have catnip, or a catnip blend. Looks like they've changed their packaging a little bit, which looks really nice. Ooh, frankincense. I can always use more of that. And it's the resin. I mean, it's all resin, but it's not in powder form or essential oil. Flower offering. I love that. Let me see if I can smell anything. Oh yeah, that smells so good. All right, so there's that. This is our oil, looks like. Let's see if I can do it without cutting it. Oh, a little bit different this time. Look at that, with the little dropper. All right. Ooh, we've got oil all over it. Do I have tissues anywhere? Looks like it's leaked or something. Oh, wow. Wow, that smells really good. Oh, wow. There's a lot of herbal goodness in that baby. I know it's not easy to see because of the dark amber bottle, but I very much like what they did with this little bottle. Just trying to clean it off a little bit. Now I got oil on my hands, but that's a-okay. I am not complaining. Ooh, wow. Look at that gorgeous candle. Hathor Ritual Candle. Organic soy. Yeah, that's beautiful. Take a look at that. What do we got here? Maybe a red jasper? Raw red jasper? It's beautiful. Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at that agate slice. That is gorgeous. Oh, wow. I love it. Absolutely love it. Egyptian alchemy salts. And that one's pretty subtle. Still very earthy, herbal. Smells good. I likes it. Now, what do we have here? Ooh. Oh, we can't forget our handy dandy incense. Oh, this smells really good. Okay. Where's my scissors? I do not like styrofoam, but it definitely serves its purpose. Wow. This is stunning. Wow, this is really heavy too. It's got like highly detailed. Look at that. Wow. It is gorgeous. Look at little scrying mirror. That is beautiful. Wow. So,